Make every day count. Unlock the power of daily achievement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very inspiring phrase: make every day count. This saying is more than just words. It's a powerful mindset that can transform our daily lives and push us towards success and happiness. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking for some motivation, this video is for you. Let's explore how this phrase can impact your life and how to apply it in your everyday routine. Make every day count is a motivational phrase that encourages us to use every day to its fullest potential. It means that every day is an opportunity to achieve something, learn something new, or make progress towards our goals. The key components here are action, purpose, and progress. This phrase reminds us that time is valuable and we should not waste it on things that don't contribute to our personal growth or happiness. Making every day count is crucial because time is something we can never get back. By focusing on meaningful activities and goals, we ensure that our time is well spent. This approach to life can lead to greater satisfaction, achievement, and a sense of purpose. It encourages us to live more intentionally and make the most out of every moment. 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining what you want to achieve. Goals give you direction and a purpose to strive for each day. 2. Plan your day. Use a planner or a to-do list to organize your tasks and activities. This helps you stay focused and ensures that you allocate time for important tasks. 3. Learn something new. Dedicate time to learning, whether it's a new language, skill, or a piece of knowledge. Continuous learning keeps your mind active and opens up new opportunities. 4. Be present. Focus on the present moment and enjoy what you're doing. Being mindful can significantly enhance the quality of your day. 5. Reflect. End your day by reflecting on what you've accomplished and what you've learned. This can help you appreciate your efforts and plan for the next day. We hope this video inspires you to make every day count in your own life. Remember, it's about making the most of your time, pursuing your goals, and living life with intention. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your days transform into a fulfilling journey towards your dreams. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more motivational content. Let's make every day a stepping stone to our success.